The Infinix Hot 55G features a 6.78-inch HD Plus IPS LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The phone has a resolution of 1600 by 720 pixels and comes with wet touch feature, so you can use it with wet fingers. The MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor powers the phone paired with up to 8 GB of RAM. It ships with iOS 14 based on Android 14 and offers up to 128 GB of storage. For optics, it has a 50-megapixel triple camera setup, a 2-megapixel depth sensor, and a 0.8-megapixel auxiliary lens. On the front, you get an 8-megapixel selfie camera. The Infinix Hot 55G packs a 5000 mAh battery with 18W wired charging. It will be the successor to the Infinix Hot 40 from last year, with major upgrades in terms of processor, design, and 5G connectivity. The Hot 5G offers excellent performance, attractive design, and 5G connectivity at an affordable price point. Expected price of Infinix Hot 55G is 9,999 rupees in India. This is the price for the 4GB RAM and 128GB storage variant. Furthermore, the 8GB plus 128GB variant retails for 11,999 rupees in the country. The Infinix Hot 55G has a beautiful design with a triple camera setup on the back. It measures just 7.8 millimeters in thickness and has an IP54 rating to protect it against occasional splashes of water and dust. You also get a center punch hole cutout with slim bezels surrounding the screen. The phone has a matte finish and is available in sleek black, vibrant blue, sage green, and dreamy purple. The Infinix Hot 55G is a perfect smartphone for those who want 5G connectivity without spending a lot of money. It offers a massive display, a huge 5000 mAh battery, and a 50-megapixel triple camera setup. All of these features make the Infinix Hot 50 a great smartphone for its price of 9,999 rupees.